Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with MongoDB Atlas detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.mongodb.com and hit enter. Once the MongoDB homepage loads, look for the Atlas option in the menu. Click on Atlas to navigate to the MongoDB Atlas landing page. On the Atlas page, you will see a Get Started Free button. Click this button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill out the form with your first and last name. Next, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the listed requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided box. Review the terms of service and privacy policy, then check the box to agree. Scroll down to find the Create Account button and click it. An email will be sent to the address you provided for verification. Go to your email inbox and locate the verification email from MongoDB. Open the email and click on the verification link. You will be taken back to the MongoDB website. Log in using your newly created credentials. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your first project. Click on New Project to create a project for your database. Enter a name for your project in the text field. Click Next to proceed to the cluster configuration. You will now be prompted to choose a cloud provider and region. Select the options that best suit your needs. Next, choose the cluster tier that fits your requirements. Review the pricing information and click Create Cluster. Your cluster will now be provisioned, which may take a few minutes. Once the cluster is ready, you'll see a confirmation message. From here, click on Database Access in the left sidebar. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.